Okay. What you saw me tighten up the rivets. I also gave a slight bend to the hooks on the shoes as well. Yeah, I haven't stuck it in the my ultrasonic cleaner yet. But with the changes I did do, you see it's running a lot better. Not up where it should be where I want it, because I want it to be higher. So I still got some work to do, but you can see I'm headed in the right path. And that's, about holding the shoes. All right.